Hawaii. We just got to the hotel and the sun is setting. It's so pretty! Look! We were gonna go to the pool, but I think they closed early because of COVID. Oh wait, that's kind of cute. Good night. Oh, there's the moon. Good night. Drove 10 minutes, or not even 10, it was like 20 minutes down a really bumpy road. Now we're at the beach. And it's very rocky, but it's pretty, you know. Wagging his tail. Hello. We ate lunch and we just chilled and watched some TV and came back from the beach, and we're gonna go see if we can snorkel in the lagoon or do other water stuff, I guess. Oh, they're leaving. They're like different colors. Yeah. We're watching the sunset at the beach. It's so pretty. I'll show you.
Watching the waterfall.
It's like right over there.
It's really hot. I'm sweating.
Yeah.
So much.
No, I feel kind of glowy. Kind of okay.
Oh, you can see like my
walking back to the car, I think, and then we might get some food. It's not that bad of a walk. Pretty chill. We're eating our bowl. Look how big it is. Like my whole face.
It's really good.
This would be fun for a photo shoot. We're going down to the cave. We're at the pool. It's morning. I don't know if you can hear, but we ate breakfast and then we just came to the pool next to our hotel. And we're just doing some work and some chilling.
Yep.
It's really nice. We're gonna go snorkeling. Stand. We got shaved ice.
$4. Wait, what did you get? Mango peach and passenger. Oh, they just combined.
Back to his hiding place. Just watch the sunrise. It's very pretty.